is the Reach Center we're standing on. And I know it's been a long time coming, but the good news is we're there. This type of building too is going to go relatively quick, isn't it? Because of the style of building it is.
Once we got the foundation in and the pad poured, after that, putting the top up is no big deal.
Just like where I'm headed, there's joy in the journey.
Cities invest in recreation not only to give their residents a chance to have that physical activity that everyone wants, but also youth that are kept busy doing activities that are fun, that build relationships. We see that as a very preventative source and a healthy source of developing our youth. Now, when the church gets involved in something like that, I see it as even more than that. I see it as an opportunity for them to get fed spiritually as well.
This facility is incredible in terms of building that bridge. We know from studies that children that are involved in recreational activities don't get into trouble as often. Their self-image is stronger. And I'm not talking about organized sports. I'm just talking about doing something. And as families, people playing together, just having a good time, just enjoying life, that bond becomes extremely strong, and that bond is what creates good, solid community members in the future. So I'm so excited about this facility.
Our median age is 29, which means that, at a population of 52,000, 26,000 people are below age 29.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and what that means to me is, when you're young, you've got a lot of energy, and young families want to be active. They want to have a diverse set of choices, gyms to do their basketball, volleyball.
It enhances what the city is doing. They provide the venues for organized sports, and because they do, there's little time left over for the let's just have fun. And so a resource such as this in the community where people can go and enjoy it, and the healthier our lifestyles is, the healthier our community will be, the happier our community will be. I really believe that. I don't want to sound like Pollyanna. I really believe that. These are really important. Having fun is huge, and having fun is what makes a community strong.
The value of a facility like this for me is priceless, just like the commercial. There's no end to the value of the services that a building and a congregation like this supplies to our community.
I think in Christian faith, sometimes we think that it is apart from the community that we're trying to accomplish something. But actually, we are here in a partnership for the value of this community too, with our faith base.
Faith is the foundation.
And I think that we all need to take responsibility for the community that we live in.
I want to say thank you to this congregation. The growth has been because of people's dedication, because of people's commitment.
Show me a river that's so deep. Show me a mountain so high. I'll show you love that'll last forever. Flying high, so high. Show me a place where dreams of a dreamer and all the things you wish come true, yeah. I'd wish the world had all happy people. Then there'd be no more wishing to do.